Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Amira.
Today I am going to talk about if I were a teacher for one day. If I were a teacher for one day, I would make learning fun and exciting. I would start a day with a big smile, with cheer. Good morning, class. In my class, there would be no any boring subject. We would play educational games, sing songs, and creative activities to learn new things. I would tell my students interesting stories to help them understand their subject better. Most importantly, I would teach my students to be kind, honest, helpful to everyone. Because a good head is just as important as a good mind. Thank you for your time. وهذا السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.